Lab activity, that is refraction of light, and the aim of this lab activity, if we do this lab activity, we are going to know the different types of image when object is placed at different positions, and also we are going to measure object distance and image distance. For this, you have to take precautions. The height of the candle and height of the lens should be equal. So when you place object at different position in front of convex lens, so you will get the different images. That depends on the position of the object in front of lens. First of all, take object at 60 centimeters. So when object is at 60 centimeters, you will get the clear image on screen at 30 centimeters.
30 centimeters.
So when object is at 30 centimeters, right, image, you will get the image at 30 centimeters. And what are the characteristics of image? It is inverted. It is an inverted image, right? And it forms at 30 centimeters. I repeat this activity by taking values at 50 centimeters, 40 centimeters, 30 centimeters, 20 centimeters, and 1 centimeter also. So next, after doing this activity at 60, now place object at 50 centimeters. When we place object at 50 centimeters, image distance increases. Right? Image distance increases, and you will get a clear image at 35.5. It is also inverted image, and it is also real image, and it forms a distance of 35. You can also measure this distance from lens to screen. And to get the object distance, you have to measure it from a lens to object. So next, repeat this activity by taking value at 40 centimeters means its focal length is 20 centimeters. The lens focal length is 20 centimeters. That means it has its radius of curvature is at 40 centimeters. You will get a clear image at 40 centimeters, and it is a same size image. And it is also inverted image. Right? Next, take object at 30 centimeters. Now, object distance increases, and you will get the clear image at 60 centimeters. Right? Inverted image, and it is magnified image, and you will get it at 60 centimeters. That means, right, you will get a magnified image. Now, the object between pole and focus will get the clear image. Do not form inside the lens. That is, what type of image it is? Magnified image, virtual image, and inside the lens. So, from this activity, focus, it forms erect and magnified image inside the lens. In remaining all cases, it forms real image, inverted image, and it forms at a different position. Right? Thank you everyone.